Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how you can earn more money on Schedule One. So you're going to want to accept your deliveries at the midnight time. I don't at 12 between 12 to 6 a.m. so that you'll get a bonus, like a 20% bonus if you deliver at that time. Also, you're going to also want, I said also twice, you're going to want to use some mix-ins, so get more ingredients, and it will make your products, I guess, more expensive. And honestly, that is pretty much how you can make more money in Schedule One, is to deliver it when there's police everywhere, because I guess it's more challenging when there's a curfew. Also, one tip is that if you're behind the cop, they're not able to spot you unless you're in front of them. What even is this? Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. That's how my friend and I garnered $150,000. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.